Hi, thanks for checking out our channel. What we do here is work on electric fence boxes for people. We work on all brands and ages of electric fence units. Gallagher, Parmax, Speedrite, Power Wizard, whatever it is, we work on all of them, Zariba. But you go down in the description area below the video there, there's a little drop down arrow and it takes you to, or there's some links to our website and stuff like that. But you can go there and find out more about us. But we give free quotes and 18-month warranties. But what I want to do on this little video is to show you this old unit. This is an old Gallagher. It's called a Guardian A or A Guardian. I don't know what it's really called, but it's a old Gallagher unit. Been around a long time. It's a AC powered unit. It was working, clicking right along, but it had no output, very little, and it had a bad transformer on the inside. So we had to. There's the old transformer that was in it. So luckily, we had a transformer that was for a different brand. And we retrofitted it. This is what the transformer looked like that we put in there. Basically, it's a little bit physically smaller, but we were able to drill holes in the board, put the screws back through it, and wire it in there. And that's the transformer that we used in it. This, I don't know what size joule rated unit this is. Doesn't really tell you much. Not very hard hitting. I mean, not a very big joule unit. It's probably a half joule, 1 joule. I don't know, somewhere in that range based on the little capacitor that we're inside. Probably a half joule, I would say, give or take. And this transformer is rated up to 2 joules. So we put that in there and it works fine. Only thing that we didn't do to it because it was a pain in the neck to get to was the bulb was a little, it flashes on the inside, but you can't really see it on the outside here. But it was burned out and it's cosmetic, and the guy didn't really care about the light as long as it clicked and pulsed. So it clicked still and it was pulsing, but it had very little output. But we retrofitted that in there and it worked fine. And so we're gonna plug it in here and show it working. You can see light flashing inside there, but it's just really dim because it's burned out a little bit. You hear it ticking right along there. So we'll put a fence tester across here. 7.4, 7.5 roughly kV, so a little over 7,000 volts coming out of it. So we'll put a little screwdriver or something across so you can see it spark. You see it sparking there, so it's working fine again. So we bought an old, like 35, give or take, year old, maybe 40 years old, I have no idea. But brought an old one back from the dead again, so now this guy can go back to use and start using it again. So, well, if you got any other questions or you got old fence starter laying around, don't throw it away. Not just yet. And but anyways, we'll talk to you guys later on, and remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up button. Send us your old units and we'll definitely try to bring them back to life. It's a free quote, so there's no charge for us looking at it, and 18-month warranty on anything that we work on. Lightning damage is part of our 18-month repair warranty. But anyways, we'll see you guys later on, and have a good day.